Welcome back to your beginner guide to ranch roping. In the last video, we learned a heel trap, which is a heel shot from the left-hand side of the calf. So of course we have to learn a heel shot from the right-hand side of the calf. Today's video is brought to you by 2 Timothy 1:7. For the spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Never weaken. The heeling and the heading is no different, right? If you want a shot from over there, you need a shot from over here. So you're gonna swing a big sidearm swing. Your loop size is going to depend on the size of your calf or cow. The bigger the cow, the bigger the loop. So just keep that in mind as you start roping live animals with this. You want this sidearm swing to deliver like a big pancake, and your aim point is the flank of the calf, okay? And so what I'm gonna do to get this rope to kind of travel like a pancake is when I go to deliver, at the very end, I'm gonna kind of roll my Honda to the left just a little bit. So that's what this looks like. Big sidearm swing, big loop, and then I'm gonna roll that Honda to the left. So I delivered that. My loop was a little big, and I delivered it a little too far to the right, which is why it hit the front legs, but you get the general idea. This is called a hip shot. What you want to do is you want to get your rope to hang on the hip. So I'll throw that one more time as another little example, and then I'll show you how you actually pick up heels with a hip shot. So once again, big sidearm swing. We're gonna roll that Honda to the left a little, and that's what we want it to look like. That was the perfect hip shot. So from there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna gather, if we actually have a cow roped, we're gonna gather up our slack. We're gonna put our horse in this position if the cow stays where he's standing. If not, you just pick up and try to pick up some feet. From here, you're gonna communicate to your header, hey, pull the calf off. And when he turns and pulls, what's gonna happen is that calf is going to step into that hip trap. And then from there, once I pick up my rope, I should have heels caught. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.